Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to access your Bsp Fiji online banking account in a simple and secure way so that you can check your finances anytime you need. So you need to start by opening your preferred web browser on your PC or on your laptop. Then you need to come here on the official website of bsp.com.fj. Once you come here on the top right hand corner itself, you will find this login option. When you click on the login option, it is going to show you the option of BSP Online Plus. So this is what we want. Just simply click on it, then wait for some time until it shows you the login page. So over here on this page, you just have to start typing your user ID, then you need to provide your password. Make sure that everything is typed exactly, and then you need to proceed by selecting the login button. Now if your account uses the extra security, BSP will send you a one-time OTP verification on your registered mobile number or email. So you need to enter the code when it is prompted to confirm it is really you. After the successful verification, your online banking dashboard will load, and from there you can just simply view your account details, transfer the money, pay the bills, and manage your banking services without visiting a branch. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.